brand new channel. My name is Christine and I'm about to film a wash and go literally in my garden. I'm so happy that you clicked on this video. As I do my wash and go, I'll be sharing a little more about me and also about my natural hair journey. Okay guys, so this is how I do it. I parted my hair into two. I put one side in a bun, and then I take a little section from the back, and this is what I'm going to be working on. The other part is just up in the bun. As you guys can see, the hair is dry. I literally take water, guys, and just smooth the water in the hair, and look at the curls already. Water, guys, plays a big role when it comes to natural hair, because it is a moisturizer alone. So washing your hair often is very good for your hair. I try my best to wash my hair about once a week. I try my best. I then go ahead and I take my Denman brush. Guys, this Denman brush, it is so old, but I thank God for it. And I go ahead and I comb it out, comb out the hair. And if you look closely, the curls are already defining. Look at that, guys, just by water and Denman brush. Next, I go ahead and I use the setting mousse by Aunt Jacky's. I love this thing, guys. I go ahead and I put a small amount in my hand, and then I put it onto the hair as base. And for my wash and go, I'll be using 2 gels. Yes, I'll be mixing 2 gels. You guys heard it. And what I love about those 2 gels, once you mix them together, they do not leave any white flakes, nothing like that. They go well together, guys. So the 2 gel I'll be using is one of my favorite gel, the Eco Styler gel, which is the clear one. I love this one, guys. And I will be using the Daddy gel. Both of them are clear gels, and when you put them together, they work wonders. I find the Eco Styler gel is good for taming that poofiness in my hair, because my hair tends to get very poofy. I love my poofy hair, but this tames the poofiness. Guys, if you're looking for a gel that is very high in moisturizing, the Daddy gel is the gel for you. Me, I love to combine them together, and as I said, they work wonders. So I'll start off with the Eco Styler gel first. I'll be taking a small amount, putting it onto the hair, just like that, not too much, because I don't want it to get too hard. And then I go ahead with my Daddy gel, the moisturizing gel, and then I go ahead and I put it on top. And look at the difference, guys. Look at that shine, look at that color, that healthy. And then I go ahead with my Denman brush and I form my curls. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Look at that. I still go ahead after doing that and taking some more of the Daddy gel, and I'm now smoothing it onto the hair. Smoothing it. Instead of raking it, I'm smoothing it onto the hair. And this is how I do my wash and go, guys. Very simple method. And then I proceed. So I'll take a little more. I'll be doing section by section. So guys, about me, as I said before, my name is Christine and I am a believer in Christ. I'm a born-again Christian. I wouldn't be here today if it wasn't for the King of all kings and the Lord of all lords, my God. Also, I am married to my loving hubby for almost 10 years. Yeah, this year we will be going on 10 years. I also am a mom of 2 beautiful children. I was blessed to have a boy and a girl, guys. So I don't need to go back. Yes, my oldest one, he's the boy. He is 7 years old. And my little princess is 5 years old. I also have a print on demand business. Printing t-shirts and tumblers and all that good stuff. And I am from the beautiful island of St. Martin. For you guys who don't know where is St. Martin, I'll make sure insert a little picture. Guys, I just continue by adding the Eco Styler gel. Guys, look at that shine. My gosh. And my hair is smooth and soft, guys. And then now the daddy gel. And the key thing, guys, is taking your time. You want to make sure wash your hair, style your hair when you have time. Just like how you make time to go run your errands, you have to make time for your natural hair. You cannot expect to rush and expect for the curls to come out popping. No, you have to make time for your natural hair. So my natural hair journey, guys, I've been natural for over 13 years. For over 13 years, guys. That is the amount of years that I've known my husband. I met him 13 years ago, and when I met him, I was in the transitioning stage with my natural hair. So I didn't do the big chop. I had straightened my hair and I wanted to get back my natural hair, guys, because my hair was breaking badly. So I did the transitioning stage. I didn't do the big chop because I was so afraid, guys. I said to myself, my head is so big and funny that if I go ahead and I do the big chop, it wouldn't look good on me. Okay, now I'm adding the daddy gel to get that shine and that moisture in. So I stayed a year. I spent a whole year transitioning my hair, and after that year I cut it off, and after that I never went back to the straightening. Never. My regular, I'm talking. Okay guys, so I've finished with the back part of my hair. Look at that. Oh my gosh, the curls are so luscious. Ooh. Sometimes I finger curl. I love to finger curl to the front, at the front of my hair. seeing that at the front of my hair is the most, well, the crown and the front of my hair are the most problem areas to me. And also guys, I forgot to mention, I recently chopped off my hair again. When I say chopped off, it means that I had a color in my hair. I'll go ahead and insert some pictures that way you guys can see how beautiful it looked at the beginning, but eventually I stopped taking care of my colored hair and it raked the hair, guys. My hair texture was literally to the top very curly and at the end stringy, and I didn't like that. So I recently chopped off about a good amount of inches, about 6 to 7 inches of my hair I chopped off, just to restore my hair. And that decision was one of the best decisions I've made. Okay guys, so the back is now complete. Oh my gosh, look at that. Yes. So time to move on to the front now, the fun part. My regular, I'm talking things for better now. Oh, things for better now. Oh, way better now. Oh, says my regular, I'm talking things for better now. Oh, things for better now. This is my favorite part of my hair, guys, the sides. Love, love, love it. Love the texture. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Look at the curls. Okay guys, so I'm almost at the end. So here now I'm going to see which side I like to put my part. Okay, let me comb it out. Let me see. I think that will look good. Let me put it more on the side. I don't so like the middle part, guys. Sometimes I rock the middle part. Sometimes, most of the times I don't. I rather the side part, yes. Here we go at the final. As you guys can see, I took all of my time, most of my time, for the front section of my hair. I went pretty quickly for the back, but the front, I love to take my time. I love my front to be really, really refined. So that's what I'm doing. that's it guys for this side. Oh my gosh, look at the curls. Wow. So guys, this is it. Yep, take a look. I'm all finished. So guys, this is it. This is my wash and go. I'll just leave it air dry now. I won't touch it. I will no longer touch it. I will just leave it air dry. I will go about my business, and that is it guys. So thank you so much for watching until the very end. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel just by clicking on the subscribe button down below, and make sure to like this video, and stay tuned guys, because I have many more beautiful videos to come. Bye guys, see you in the next video.